Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Alyssa Edwards collection with Anastasia Beverly Hills, their collaboration. The things that I went through to get this package today. The things. FedEx, when there's a holiday, apparently none of the workers like to deliver their packages. If you just say that you can't deliver it, you get to go home early. So bear with me, I am very tired. So first I'm gonna do the primer. The PR box itself comes with the primer, a mirror, a fan, and the eyeshadow palette. So first, this is the new eyeshadow primer. It comes in a little box that looks like this. Oh, I mean, there's a lot on here. It's long wearing, water resistant, oil free, alcohol free, gluten free, vegan, and dermatologist tested. So let's take it out. Oh, and it comes in a really big tube like this. Very cute. For some reason, I expected this to look like the tip, like if this chapstick out of the squeezy tubes, you know what I mean? I'll show you the consistency when I'm doing the look. It's time to open the box, the Alyssa Edwards box. First, it looks like this. I'm gonna try to open it on camera. I'm so stupid. Okay, so you open it up, and this is what it looks like inside. This is really cute. There's one eye open and then one eye is winking at you, like so. The Alyssa Edwards signature is on the bottom. So let's get to what's inside. There's this really cute mirror. It says Beast on the back. Beast. It is bedazzled to the god. Look at that. Look how cute. And then on the front, there's a pair of lips. Very cute. Then we have the fan, the Alyssa Edwards fan. There's Anastasia Beverly Hills here. It is pink, and then when you open it, let me do it this way because I think this is how it opens. Beast. Boom, 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 boom. It's so cute. I love it. Now for the palette itself. Oh, it's a cute little message on the back. It says, Alyssa Edwards palette. I don't get cute, I get drop dead gorgeous. And now you can too. My dream for this palette was to create a color story that will give you life. One that will bring out the inner beast in everyone. That is cute as shit. I love that message, love it. The palette looks like this. Look how cute, look how gorgeous, and nice and bright and colorful, but you also have some neutrals in there to where you can just create a little neutral look, or you can create something more colorful and more glam. I personally am living for this palette. Color is my area, it's what I go to, it's what I love. This palette speaks to me on a lot of levels. I am not much of a neutral person. I mainly just like try to stay towards color, but for you, there is a brown in here called Back Rolls. There's a black called Beast. There is the Supreme. It's a nice transition color. There's HOE. It is like a tannish color is HOE. And then you have like a white. I'm going to do one eye off camera so I can know where I'm going, and then I'll do one eye on camera so you can know where I'm going. And then we'll meet in the middle to see each other. Yes. Okay, so for the eyeshadow primer, I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand here. That should be good enough. So the consistency is a thick consistency, but I like that because that just means that it's gonna stay in place. It won't really move and the eyeshadow will stick to it and it'll be super pigmented. Pop it on just as I normally would. I like to take a beauty blender and just go over it. When you're doing the blending work of it, you want to work quickly because she does kind of set into place very quickly. It's kind of like a concealer, those concealers that set pretty quick. That's what this is. I'm going to take Dream It first. tap off the excess, and go into the corner. I'm holding my head like back a little bit and I'm looking down into the mirror so my hooded eye like doesn't crease up or anything, like the creases don't happen and mess up my hard work here before it even gets started. Oh my god, I'm loving it. Like, look at this color. You see how it just, the shadows literally stick to that pigment and the color payoff. Love the color payoff. So currently I'm just tapping it in, tap, 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 tap. I'm not blending anything just yet, just tapping it. And then we will go back over it with a blending brush to make sure that it's all blended. There is some kickback to Dream It, so just a heads up. But I kind of feel like that's a lot of ABH's shadows. Like few of them have kickback, but they're always really pigmented. So I mean, I don't mind, but if you do, then just letting you know. Let's go on with a blending brush first. This one is from BH Cosmetics. I don't know what number it is. Number 6 brush. And we're gonna go in and blend out the edges here. Very softly, lightly, light hand. And then over here on this side, this one is going to meet the purple. Pop her on. Some purples don't like to blend or stack on top of each other that great, but this one seems to be okay. Some purples like to get patchy. It sucks because I love purples, but if you like mess up at all, you mess up at the base or don't tap off the excess from the brush, then that purple can get patchy really, really quickly. So you just have to be careful. I'm just tapping where the blue meets the purple here so we can get a nice blend going. We're gonna take the blending brush again, go on the outside edges very lightly again. I'm gonna take a diffuser brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the A10. The first brush that I use is a e.l.f. Cosmetics brush. I don't remember. It's just an eye brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics. If e.l.f. still has them available, I need to restock because I only have one and I love this brush so much. I use it in every look. It's nice and small and dense, so if you have like, if you want a lot of color payoff, then you want to go for brushes that are small and dense eye brushes because they will add the most color onto them and give you the most color payoff. To cut the crease, I'm using the number 3 brush from ABH. I'm just gonna map it first and then go in and make it bigger. Then I'm taking Texas Made, popping that onto the base. I'm just tapping. Oh, look at that color. Look at that. I can't look at you, but you look at that. We're gonna take Beyond, dipping into Beyond on my finger, popping that onto the lid. I just kind of feel like it needed some extra. A little bit more something. I'm gonna try to wet my finger. I don't wanna mess this up and see what she gives on the lid on top of this. Okay, that did it. That is what I wanted. Look at that shine. You see that? Starting to really come into form now. Really coming into form on them. Now that we did that, we're gonna take Believe and go directly on the outside corner of where that pink ends. Oh, I'm taking a tiny brush and I'm just dipping into Dream It and going where that line here stops and Texas Made and Beyond are starting. And I'm just kind of cleaning it up and straightening it up a little bit. Okay, now that we have both eyes done, I'm going to do the rest of my face. So far with this palette, Loving it. We're jumping to a voiceover now.
Taking that eyeshadow primer, I'm going directly up underneath and prepping the lower lash line. And then I'm taking Dream It on a A13 brush and I'm going in and just running that along. I'm buffing it in, and I'm also taking Believe and running it directly underneath where I put Dream It. Then I blend it out with the diffuser brush. Then I take the Tara lip gloss and run that along my lip. And to set all of it, I'm using the Dewy Set spray, my favorite. Get it if you haven't, you'll love it.
Shake her up, shake her up. Just a little bit on. I don't want to like do too much because I'm not going anywhere. I just wanted to include it in the video. I love it so much. Now we got a little shine going, a little shimmy shim. Spice it up even more. I'm gonna take So Hollywood loose glitter. Pop it here. Blend it out. Okay, so final thoughts on the palette. I love this palette. I haven't tried the yellow yet. I'm interested to try the yellow and the white to see if the white is as good as Sales in the Riviera palette. But so far I'm impressed. The colors are very pigmented. This base, oh my god, this is the base that I've been waiting on. And I finally got it, finally been created. Love it. Love it. So this base with these eyeshadows, and I feel like any eyeshadow, it's going to stick to it and make them super, super bright. I love this base. I will be buying plenty of those just to have backup. And the palette is so amazing. The colors are very pigmented. They blend out easily. You don't really have to put a whole lot of work into it to get them to show up and get them to pop. Congratulations to Alyssa Edwards on this collaboration. Another amazing palette by Anastasia. There were two parts of the summer collections for Anastasia. There's a part 1 which came out with the body oil and 5 pigments and 4 lipsticks, mini lipsticks. That was more of the toned down side, more if you like the neutrals, if you like a little light, you know, slay. That was what that was for. This is part 2 of the summer collection, and this is for the girls that like color. If you're not afraid to really take it there, to glam it up, to wear this out, I would wear this out. I wear all my colorful looks out. I wear body paintings out. If I have to go to the store and get something, I don't care about the look because I know that this look is bomb, whatever I did. And that's what you have to tell yourself, that it's bomb. Don't care about what anyone else thinks. Oh my god, let me get the fan. Oh wait. Am I doing it wrong? Oh. I was doing it the wrong way. Boom. Oh, see? Hang on. Let's try this again. The fan and the palette might be my favorite thing from this collection. If you are not afraid of color, or if you want to just dive in and try something new, I would get this palette. And if, you know, you're not sure, then I would for sure get the eyeshadow primer, because this primer is going to make anything pop. It's going to make anything last long. It's water resistant. So that means, you know, if you get like oily lids, or if you're crying, your eyeshadow isn't going to move, going to stay in place. Aren't sure about the palette? Get this base. Get the eyeshadow primer. Body Shimmer Oil, by the way, is bomb. It's very nice. It's not greasy. It's not sticky. You don't feel it on you. It's just kind of like you put your favorite body cream on and you're just hydrated. Like your skin is just hydrated, it drinks it in, but then you're left with a nice little, you know, a little shimmer, a little glow. It does have a scent of vanilla in it. There's a little tinge, so if you don't like that, I would test it out in the store beforehand, before you buy it, just to see if you're okay with that smell, if it's not too potent for you. But it's really not. It's just like a little hint in there. And a lot of people said that it smells like cookies or cupcakes or something like that, which it does, because vanilla's in it. but you didn't hear it from me. Yeah, that's it. This is the finished look, and I love how it all turned out. All of this came together very nicely. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, if you liked the tutorial. If you haven't already, join the family. Come and be with us because we got a new palette to play with. I have to go take pictures now. So until next time, bye.